Hello and welcome to Blockchain Fundamental Series. In this lecture, we will be discussing what is centralized, decentralized, and distributed ledger. So first we will discuss what is centralized. It contains one server node and all client node. For example, you placed a search request on search engine, for example Google, and it gave you back a set of web links and summarized results. If anything happens to the central node, network breaks down. So as you can see in this picture, if anything happens to here in the central server node, all the nodes will not give any result. So it is totally dependent on the central node. It's a major security concern. So that is the first drawback of the centralized ledger. Coming to decentralized network. This is Internet of today. Client nodes have one connection to outside world via Internet service provider. For example, if I send you a message from a client app of my mobile, this message is pushed to the WhatsApp server, which then notifies your client app about my message. Once you see my message, your client app sends back an acknowledgement signal in terms of a blue double tick to my client app, again using the WhatsApp server. So the today's WhatsApp application works in a decentralized way. It is more desirable than centralized because of fault tolerance and difficulties of being shut down. So even though in this scenario, if anything happens to a couple of servers or if a couple of servers fails, it will not affect overall system. Now coming to distributed ledger. A node has as many connections as possible to another node. Disrupting communications amounts to destroying every node or every link. Every node acts as a server for others and client for itself. Example of distributed network is BitTorrent and Bitcoin. So in the next lecture, we will discuss what is distributed ledger technology. So stay tuned in this blockchain fundamental series. If you want to know more about the blockchain or if you want to learn advanced blockchain, please refer the Udemy URL link given below in the sections. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.